By watching this video, you will be able to create or register an account in Canva website. Canva is a visual design application that aims to make the digital creative process simpler. Using a straightforward drag-and-drop user interface, Canva enables image editing and project-based learning and is suitable even for younger kids. First, open a web browser. Type www.canva.com. Then click Sign Up at the top right corner. Now select Sign In with Google. Enter your email address or select the email address. Click Continue. After a few seconds, the Canva will ask you a question. What will you be using Canva for? Select your answer from the given options. I have selected Personal. Now your account is created and you will be able to design or create YouTube thumbnail, banner, or a YouTube video.